The outrage that followed a video of two Kuki Zomi women being stripped and sexually assaulted in Manipur has led to panic among the small community of Meiteis residing in Mizoram, with many of them leaving the state on Saturday. In response to the situation, the Manipur government said that it is willing to evacuate them from the state through chartered flight. The Manipur government is planning to airlift people from Mizoram by special ATR flights operating between Aizawl, Imphal and Aizawl, Silchar. This comes after an organization of former militants in Mizoram asked the Meiteis to leave for their home state for their own safety. The Peace Accord MNF Returnees Association, PAMRA, had issued a statement on Friday saying that Mizoram was no longer safe for the Meiteis in view of the mounting tension following the barbaric and heinous act committed by miscreants in Manipur. The organization stated that there is anger among Mizo youths over the incident of two women being disrobed, paraded naked, and sexually assaulted by a group of men on May 4, a video of which surfaced on Wednesday, sparking huge outrage. Mizos and Kukis are ethnically related, as are the Chins of Myanmar and the Chin Kukis of Bangladesh. Though the government has planned to airlift Meiteis, however, the details of when the evacuation process will start are not out yet. A few thousand Meiteis, mostly from Manipur and South Assam, live in Mizoram. Meanwhile, the Mizoram government on Saturday reassured the Meitei community living in a state of safety and told them not to pay heed to rumors. State Home Commissioner and Secretary held a meeting with leaders of the Meitei community and assured them of their safety and security, an official statement said. More than 160 people have lost their lives and several others have been injured since May 3, when a tribal solidarity march was organized in the Hill district to protest against the Meitei community's demand for scheduled tribe status. Meiteis constitute approximately 53% of Manipur's population and primarily reside in the Imphal Valley, while tribals including Nagas and Kukis account for 40% and mostly live in the Hill districts.